A follow-up now to a story we brought you first on 2. Car stunts in Queens have become a new normal, creating a huge noise nuisance during the pandemic. CBS 2's Lisa Rozner got action on one problem spot, and tonight she's highlighting another.
Sound like gunshots going off.
It sounds like gunshots, but it's a car meetup. Neighbors say the sounds and stunts occur regularly, anytime between Thursday and Sunday at this Home Depot parking lot on Northern Boulevard.
Really loud.
Just last week, we showed you the same problem in a parking lot in Astoria. After our story, the property owner put up no loitering signs, and residents say it's been quiet for the first time in months. But other neighborhoods still have the same issue. After almost 2 months of hearing loud noise in Sunnyside, Antoine Odebir checked it out, seeing a man taking selfies out the window while the driver does donuts.
I mean, there was two smells. Smell of burning rubber and smell of pot. You're talking 600-700 people there. I was shocked at how organized it was. I mean, they had a drone flying over top, taking videos.
But neighbors say this is just one stop in an unofficial raceway that wraps around their neighborhood.
They go from the Home Depot lot up to the Stop and Shop lot. They do their donuts, and then they come back down. It's really frightening, ridiculous.
Neighbors say the drivers speed down 48th Street, which connects Queens Boulevard and Northern Boulevard. The latest incident, a vehicle slammed into this property near the corner of 39th Avenue, leaving behind the fender. Thankfully, no one was seriously hurt.
I called the police. I said, listen, they've been doing this all night. It's like scratching your nails on a chalkboard for hours, for like an hour and a half.
He says police did not call back for an hour and a half.
One thing they could do is put in speed bumps.
Councilman Jimmy Van Bramer contacted the Department of Transportation and Home Depot's CEO. The company said it's working on installing gates and having stronger security overnight.
The Department of Transportation has a lot that it can do. It includes some architecture and construction changes to the nature of the streets.
The NYPD says the commanding officer is aware of the conditions. We reached out to the DOT late Sunday, but did not hear back. In Sunnyside, Queens, Lisa Rozner, CBS 2 News.
Well, just moments ago, a spokesperson for the DOT said it is evaluating measures that could possibly slow traffic down in that area. We will keep you posted.